Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Project Sadie or Sadie Car. Today I'm gonna show you a slideshow that I made earlier today. As you can see, I'm talking on my Sadie Car Shorts channel. That's because I'm using the camera that I record for you guys. Today, hold on one sec. There we go. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a short on YouTube. It may look a little bit different on your computer or whatever you use. Today I'm going to give you guys a presentation of how to make a short on YouTube. This is on a phone, just so you know. How to make a short on YouTube. First, you select the short. So first, hold on. You guys can see this. Still, you guys can see this. Okay. Alright, that's good. So you can not see here, but there's this. One second for you guys. No. And then I might need to go over this again. Alright, I'm back. So I thought I did it. So there's this little plus thing. I think I put it somewhere. No, so there's this little plus thing. I can show you. Thing for YouTube. I'm still here, but you can't see me. Alright, let me show you. Okay. So, let me show you guys. So, on the next page, we're going to do this. This. You're going to hit that. And then, so you're going to hit that, and then you're going to select create a short. Run tab. Okay, there we go. So then you select create a short after you hit the plus thing. And then it brings you to this. Then you select add sound. And if you want a timer, you can hit that. And if you want to speed it up, you can hit that. And if you want to flip the camera, you can do that. And then now it brings you to this. Now you select the sound and upload it to YouTube. I can't show you my freaking account because it's private. Yeah, so that's my video. Hope you guys like this video or whatever it is, a short. Um, I forgot to do the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to Project Sadie or Sadie Car Shorts. So have a good day, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.